back to the English classroom. My name is Nisha and today's session is based on how you can improve your vocabulary. We will have a series of sessions on these topics and today's topic is avoid using very in your daily conversation. Very is an intensifier which is used to emphasize on something. Very does not add much meaning to a sentence. Instead, adds to the number of words. You can use these words that I teach you today instead of very, which will help you improve your vocabulary and help you become more fluent. Stay tuned till the end of the session for more examples. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will show you how to drop the word very and use the alternative in sentences. The first word, very beautiful. If I have to drop very and I have to give a compliment to someone, I would say, Mary is a gorgeous young woman. Instead of, Mary is a very beautiful young woman. The second one, instead of using the word very confused in a sentence, you can use the word baffled. Baffled in a sentence is, the disappearance of dinosaurs have baffled scientists for many years. The third word, very angry. Instead, use the word furious. He was furious when I reached late. The next one, very tasty. If you want to tell someone that your mom makes delicious cookies, you will use the word delicious instead of very tasty. The next one, very tired. Instead of using very tired, we use the word exhausted. I was exhausted after a long day at work. The next one, very noisy. We use the word deafening. The deafening sound of the crackers filled the sky. If you want to talk about someone who is very rich, you will use the word wealthy instead. A wealthy businessman paid for his education. The next word, very hungry. That we are most of the times, aren't we? We use the word famished. I'm famished. Is the dinner ready yet? The next word, very scared. If you want to talk about someone who is very scared of something, you would use the word petrified. I am petrified of snakes. And the last one for today, very careful. Instead of using very careful, we can use the word cautious. Her experiences in life have made her cautious about everything. By cautious here, you mean that they are being very, very careful about everything. Here are a few more examples of these words used in sentences. Here are a few more examples for you to understand the concept better.
Gorgeous. What a gorgeous dress. Baffled. One of the exam questions baffled me. Furious. The teacher was furious and punished him. Delicious. You've got to try this delicious cake. Deafening. The noise out in the street was deafening. Wealthy. He grew up in a wealthy family. Exhausted. I have exhausted myself with all that cleaning. Famished. The poor people on the street looked famished. Petrified. I have always been petrified of staying alone at night. Cautious. He was cautious when he was riding the bike.
Hope you enjoyed today's video and these words helped you improve your vocabulary. Do write down a comment in case you have already been using these words. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Tune into the channel next week for another session. Until then, happy learning.